from Liceo Tecnolo MonteMaria.
And today we will show you our procedure for making crystal. But first and foremost, here are the safety standards of the laboratory.
As 40 grams of copper sulfate, add 100 milliliters of distilled water to the beaker. Mix until the solution reaches between 60 or 70 degrees and the copper sulfate is diluted. Filtering to remove impurities. Put the solution into the box to cool slowly. Allow the crystals to form and, if desired, you can grow them by renewing the solution. Mass 6 grams of borax, add 100 milliliters of distilled water to the beaker. Mix until the solution reaches between 60 and 70 degrees and the borax is diluted. Filtering to remove impurities. Put the solution into the box to cool slowly. Allow the crystals to form and, if desired, you can grow them by renewing the solution. A crystal is a solid composed of atoms arranged in order, in a repeated type pattern which has a discrete diffraction pattern. Supersaturation. It's the state of the solution that contains more than the maximum amount of solute dissolved in a solvent. The quality of the crystal is due to supersaturation. If the supersaturation of a solution is very high, the crystal to be obtained is an amorphous solid. If the supersaturation of a solution is high, dendrites and conglomerated crystals will be formed. If the supersaturation of a solution is intermediate or low, the crystal will be a single crystal or they will be small crystals. Nucleation. The first stage in the formation of a crystal, nucleation forms a thermodynamic phase through a self-assembly. It is a generation process that occurs from a more stable modular phase to the initial fragments of a new phase, which can spontaneously develop into larger fragments. The bonding is crucial. That's why we use the polyurethane foam box to make the nucleation process slower and to obtain larger crystals. Crystal growth. It's the increase in the size of the crystal as the solute is deposited in the supersaturated solution. The growth depends on the solute, solvent and other factors such as temperature that are seen in the process.
Thank you everyone for watching.